Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify sales team performance with HubSpot detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify sales team performance with HubSpot, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Once logged in, navigate to the sales dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the reports menu on the top navigation bar. Click on reports to expand your options. Select sales performance from the drop-down list. This will take you to a comprehensive overview of your sales team's performance metrics. Review key metrics such as total sales, deals closed, and sales by individual team member. To dive deeper, click on specific team members' names for their individual performance data. In this section, analyze the number of calls made, emails sent, and meetings scheduled. Use filters to segment data by date range or specific sales initiatives. Look for patterns in high-performing and low-performing periods. Next, explore the deal pipeline under the sales menu. This will give you a visual representation of the stages each deal is in. Evaluate how many deals are in each stage and the average time spent there. Identify bottlenecks in the pipeline that may impact overall performance. For further insights, utilize the Custom Reports feature. Create custom reports tailored to your specific performance metrics. Select the data you wish to include, such as revenue generation and lead sources. Run the report and analyze the results for actionable insights. Monitor performance over time by regularly revisiting these reports. Make use of HubSpot's dashboard customization options to track metrics relevant to your goals. Encourage your team to engage with these reports for continuous improvement. Finally, set up regular check-ins to discuss findings and strategize on performance enhancement. This approach will help ensure your sales team remains aligned and targets are met effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.